which, best thing which I like in myself, when I get up in the morning, when I'm lying down in the bed, the way you told me to do this, like,
With your face.
when earlier, if I used to touch my face, it used to be all like, very soft, gooey types. Like, when I touch, when I feel, is this my face? That is the feeling which makes me so happy in the morning.
So nice. I'm so happy to hear that.
No. I cannot even share that with anybody. This is something like internal. This gives me internal happiness.
This is you have to experience yourself only.
yeah, this is what I'm saying. Like,
You're so right, Vidya. Actually, my husband was saying a couple of days ago, he said, very, very rare to see, especially in India, mothers are so busy with, doing everything for everybody else, they hardly take care of themselves. So you'll hardly find women doing any kind of programs, anything for themselves, it's very, very different.
Yeah. No, that's in fact, very true. But with the coming generation, if women change their mindset, I think everything is going to change.
People are noticing it, whether I've been telling them or no. Today also I met somebody. She's like, oh, even though you were sick, but your face is looking very nice. You're looking very nice. And I smiled and I said, thank you. Thank you so much.
Yes, I feel happy. I feel I'm doing something.
Happy with the results.
Oh, good.
I'm so happy. I'm so happy. When you say that I'm happy, I feel so happy.
But I will tell you, the acupressure and the massage, oh my God, I get such a wonderful sleep after that. It's the best thing to do at night.
Got back to that, but the splashes is doing wonders for me, and acupressure also is helping. And I had that inflammation because of the medication, but now it's better.
Right. My husband was telling me that when I was doing this, he's like, she's gone mad. She thinks that she can turn her age. You need to accept your age gracefully, that okay, you are not that old, but you're getting there. The way you keep on putting things on your face, and now you're doing this, like he was making fun of me. When I showed him this picture, and he's like, can you tell me what exercises you're doing? Let me also start doing it. And I cracked up and I was like, see, now you're laughing and you're telling me that let me also do it. When I was doing it, you were making fun of me.
Yeah, one thing I wanted to tell you, Vidya, when I wanted to join this program, I told you my husband was very skeptical. No, you are fine, this, that, but I was watching at my face and I knew I wanted to change it. So, yesterday he said, I'm happy. I said, why? He said, I can see the change and I'm happy that you convinced me.
Yeah.
Is loving herself so much that I feel very connected. That in 2 weeks' time, even I will say the same thing.
No. I'm so happy and I'm so glad that I met.
His full family is going to be young. Competition.
When they saw my picture, this 12 weeks difference, and they all were like, Didi, we also want to join. I said, okay, the same.
I feel that nowadays when I'm going to work, I'm not applying much makeup. I'm just going like this without any makeup, just putting a kajal, pencil and lipstick, and that's it. So I myself have become very confident without putting anything and going out.
Sometimes. So yeah, it kind of, gives you your confidence back.
Yes,
that is the thing.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Later I said, listen, do you see any change in my face? I asked her like this. She's like, yeah, I was going to ask you, have you done that needling or something like that? I was like, no, it's the yoga. And she looks at me, she's like, Didi, I'm sold. I am so sold that this is amazing. And she's like, your face is looking so tight. You're looking so young. You don't look, you're like more than 34, 35. I was like, you made my day. I'm so happy to hear this.
So actually, when I sent my pictures to Pomi, and I noticed myself, then I thought, yeah, it's working, Now let me be serious about it and not do any cheating. Okay.
Yes.
So so I have been diligently following everything now.